Back with another video, and today I will be doing a little web shooter gun. You just go there. Sometimes it doesn't throw far, but you see it just threw. Look. So this is draft, guys. Mechanical pencil. You're gonna need a mechanical pencil. I have two right here just in case I make a mistake. You need glue and the scissors. I'm using my scissors because I forgot my knife at school. These are just regular school supplies, guys. So check it out. Let's do this. First, with this, your mechanical pencil, you wanna open this. So I'm just gonna open it with my teeth. I don't care. There you go. Sorry for doing that in front of you guys. Well, after that, you are gonna get your scissors. You press it down, and you cut this skinny part, right? Like, you press it down, guys. Press down, there's a little skinny part there. Just press it down where you're getting out the lead. Rip that out. It'll snap like that, but it's okay. Then you want this out, and you want to get this little thing out. I'm gonna show you that. So yeah, okay, let's do this. After that, you want to cut that little part right there with whatever you cut it with. Whatever is just like that. Cut this little part out. Yeah. So after that, you want to get whatever kind of glue you have. It could be one of those bottles that you open like that. I'm just using this washable score glue. Yeah, I'm just using it. And if you guys wanted to shoot farther, you have to stretch the thing out. But mostly don't. You can still throw it far and just put glue all around it. I'm just putting a lot of glue. That's what I did to my first one. I messed up a lot, guys. I tried checking this out a lot, so yeah. It fell on my couch. It still works. Oh yeah, this is my draft one. Okay. After that, you're gonna want to put the one with the glue part. Just put down right there. And with this part, you're done with all of this. You are just gonna want to pull it down. Oh damn. Oh yeah, I forgot. It shouldn't have no lead, guys. It shouldn't have no lead. If it has lead, then it won't work. There you go. So there you guys actually have it. Your first web shooter. It throws far. It throws up in the air. It throws however you want. So if you actually could put some tape around your hand and put it like that, you could just be like, you could just go. Well, actually, I have no way, other way than just going. Well, actually, it's gonna be hard doing it with the tape and everything, but there you go. Just actually, it's actually hard. Hey guys, now I have two web shooters. This is amazing. Thanks for doing this to me. You gave me two. And you could just tape it like that. Just go like that. So yeah, guys. Now I have two. Web shooter battle. Boom. Sometimes it'll take a little while to work. Just don't press it like that. Just have it like normal, like that. You shoot. You guys go. Let me clean up all of this, and thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and like if you really want to do this. Could also work for your little brothers or sisters or whoever likes Spider-Man, and you want to, and it's your birthday. You could just give them this web shooters. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, shit, go. Boom. I made one for my little brother I have. He really liked Spider-Man, so I gave it to him. And then I made another one. So, if you guys really like this episode, well, this video of the Spider-Man, so like, subscribe, and you'll see more awesome web shooters or anything built. So, see you guys later.